So this is how the acrylic plaque looks like on the live store. You can see we have multiple templates here with 3 names or 2 names here. Luna and Sarah, 3 names here. So you can change the name like Billy, Hannah, and you can see the text here is changing, or the message, change the message like love to the moon and back. And then you can change between different fonts, chewy like this, yeah, and upload the photo. Here, family, change it.
I love that. Those little adjustable, like being able to shift and adjust it is so nice.
Here, like the image of the kids, and it will remove background for you. Just wait a little bit for it
It'll
to
remove it removes the background. Oh,
here you can see background is
that
removed.
is
We use,
killer.
yeah, we use a third-party app. It is Kada Pro.
Oh, nice. Okay. And so you can keep going back in and shift and adjust to make sure that it looks like what you want it to. So cute. Absolutely love this.
Yeah. So
do we have a character limit on names and phrases?
yeah, you can offer that. You can set it up. I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so let me go to our app. All right, so this is our app interface. You can see it, right? This is the home page. And let me explain to you a little bit about ShineOn integration and Teeinblue. You're still following me, right?
Oh yeah, we're in.
Yeah,
We're
okay,
in. In fact, somebody has fainted from excitement.
Yeah, I do not hear your voice, so I just want to make sure that I'm still in the live stream. Okay, so let me explain a little bit about the integration between Teeinblue and ShineOn. So back then in 2021 and until now, we have the API integration with ShineOn. With this API integration, you can easily access to ShineOn products right in Teeinblue. And recently, we just launched a new way of integration with ShineOn. So it means that you can like set up personalized campaign 2 ways with Teeinblue and ShineOn, and I'll show you how to do each type. Okay, so let's get the first type is API integration. Now basically you're here in the home page. You need to navigate the fulfillment provided right here, and then you will search for ShineOn. This step is to like to have your API activated, because I already put the API key here, so I will show you how to do that. Here is the instruction. You need to go to your ShineOn account, the app.shineon here, and then you will need to access this area, the API access here. Okay, so you scroll down a little bit and you find the API configuration. All right, so here are all the code, and you will need to copy all the code here. Click copy, and then you paste here, paste the API key here, and then you test if the API key is working. Here, it said it is valid, so just click save, and then you're done with the API connection. And for the step to set up campaign, first you need to go to the product base and click import product. I've just said to you that you can view all ShineOn products on API here in Teeinblue, like all of the all of those products,
Yeah, and
Acrylic
we've
here
actually
and the Netflix.
so our products that were released last Friday, our API is public for that now.
Mhm.
So
Oh,
when
that's
you
great.
go in and add that, you'll see that in Teeinblue they have all of the new products.
Let's switch for pillow here. The pillow is here.
Hey, the pillow
Great.
is here. You can sell
Mhm.
that mom pillow
Yeah.
literally right here through this.
hmm
So
So like
easy.
yeah, for this product, I will sell acrylic. So I'll search for acrylic here. Yeah. Okay. So I will add this product, click import, and all of the product information will be imported for you automatically without like doing anything else.
I
Just
just
wait
love
a
it.
little bit. Basically, this product and normally all of ShineOn products they prepare multiple mockups for you, so it makes our backend like have to run a little bit longer. So you will need to wait a little bit for the product to import successfully. Now it is imported, and you can
Didn't
see
take
that
long. Didn't
only
take
one
long.
mockup here, but it doesn't mean that we do only like support one mockup. You can import all other mockups from ShineOn by here. Just click import from ShineOn and choose other mockups that you like here.
Look at that. Look at
Mhm.
that. You guys, a button
We do
click
not
and
limit.
all your mockups right
Yeah, like
there.
this
I mean, you
and
like
those.
you it just it's so simple. It's
Mm-hmm.
so simple. That's what I love about this too is like it's one of the first times I'm really seeing something where it's like intuitive, where
Mm-hmm.
you would assume that clicking import more mockups from ShineOn would import more mockups, and it doesn't always
Mm-hmm.
do that. The fact
Yeah.
that you just sucked up all of our mockups and threw them right here and it's all set, you can pick and choose what you want. Like amazing, amazing, amazing. Okay, keep going. Show me everything.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Like I said, because ShineOn has multiple mockups, so it takes longer for our app to update. So the meaning of just showing one mockup at first is to make our app load faster for you. So just import here and you'll see all the other mockups. Okay, so all the other information of the product is imported. You can see the description, the print area, the exact print area, the like the size, the color and everything. Okay, so that is the very first step. And now we move to the next step is to design our artwork. You will navigate the artworks here. Okay, so here's where you let your creative mind fly high. So you can set up, you can upload a Photoshop file directly to our platform, but I prefer to create a new artwork from scratch. So just click new artwork and remember to put the name here, Mom Acrylic. Okay, so if you don't remember the print area size, you just need to click import print area size and it will match the artwork size and your print area size here. And
Amazing.
normally the fulfillment will require you to have the design size to be the same with the print area size. So that's why we offer you this, like just click on it and then you have the print area size safe.
I
Okay.
love it.
One more thing, here you can see the design format. It means that you can set up the final design format here on artwork. Like we have multiple options for you, JPEG and SVG if you want, PDF, like all of those.
All the
Okay.
things.
So we're good. Let's take a look at our design here. we have like a text, the mom text, and with a strike through, transparent strike through. I'll teach you how to do that. Very easy. Okay, so we need to prepare that text before uploading to Teeinblue. So for this text, I prefer to use Figma. As a marketer, I use Figma a lot. I do not use Photoshop that often, so Figma is my preference. Okay, so
And
and
Figma
Figma
is
is free.
free,
Yeah,
actually.
it's free. It's
Yeah,
free and it
it's
is
free.
very powerful. Like this. Okay, so you navigate this text here and add it. I will click here. And you can type in the mom. You can change for different font family that you want here, but I'll just go with this font and change it to be white. To have this strike through, I will add a line here. Choose the line. If I go too fast, comment down below and I'll slow it down.
You're
Okay.
good. You are
Oh,
good. This live
uh-huh.
tutorial is killer. This is
Yeah.
amazing. I'm gonna rewatch this just because I love that you're doing this live with us.
Okay, so you have this line, just strike through the mom text, and you will need to make it a little bit bigger, and make sure that the the degree of it is 0, so it is straight to the mom text, and I will move it down a little bit below. And then what's next? You will choose both the mom and the line layer, and you can see this option right here, and you click on it, click on this arrow button, and you choose the subtract selection. Boom, it's done.
That's it. What did that
Yeah.
take? Not even a minute?
Yep.
I love
Okay.
this. Can you imagine
Very
too if
easy.
you were doing it with like you could do it, this is just mom, right? You could do this with any of these. Can you imagine if it's like, you know, your fur babies and you get to put the dogs' names and then you get
Mhm.
to choose different breeds on there. And Teeinblue has dog breeds too, right?
Yep,
Yeah.
yep.
Yeah, you guys, the possibilities, like, I'm saying,
Mhm.
this is like, and this is so just so everybody knows, in case you missed it, Elle is using Figma. It is a free program to use. It's basically like Photoshop for free,
Yeah,
less
yeah.
complicated. I love Figma. We use it all the time here, and
Mhm.
like the possibilities with using that empty space. You could change the word that you have back there. You could consider that like I don't I think this is awesome and I'm so
Mhm.
pumped about this. Thank you for
Mhm.
sharing that because
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
so fast and like so easy to do.
Yes, yes. It is. I think it is way more easier to use Photoshop. So, yeah,
Yeah.
guys.
In terms
Okay,
of
so
clip art, you guys
mhm.
have a bunch of clip art readily available, right?
Um, no, we do not offer like default clip art or default access to users. So
You mean but like the faces and the changing the hair and stuff like that.
yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay. So yes. So yeah, for sure.
Okay, we're good. Now we have this done and we need to export it. I would love to export it a little bit higher resolution. So 4x and export it. All right, I have that, and go back to Teeinblue. And now you will need to click on this image here to add that mom text.
I just
Okay,
love
wait
that
a
you're
little bit.
showing us how to do this live.
Wait a little bit, and then you can click reload for the layer. Here it is. Yeah, just drag it a little bit, make it bigger, like this. Okay, so now we will add the name, 3 names. All right. So to add names, you click on this text right here and click on the pencil button to edit it. Change the default text. The default text is here. It is Billy or anything that you want. I will make it Jack. You can see it change here. And now I'll move it right here and I'll change the font family. Here is where you change the font. I will use custom font and OG.
So you do support Google Fonts too.
Yes, yes, Google Fonts. We do support Google Fonts or custom fonts.
That's awesome.
Okay. hmm I will I will share with you how to upload custom fonts in our app right after this. Currently we are supporting TTF fonts only, so
Okay.
let's check your font before uploading in our app. And we change the font and then I'll change the color to white. Okay, so I want the customer to adding their own text. So I move down here in the personalization setting and choose enable personalization. Here you can see the
That's
preview
so
here.
easy.
It it is there. So that is what your customer looks at your product. So change the option name like name one there. Placeholder text Jack. Placeholder text is like what you suggest your users to type in. Okay, so all good for the all character text case normal. Okay, so here is where you limit the character
Okay,
for
so you
this.
can set that up yourself, your own particular character limits, and actually
Yes.
keep your design looking nice and clean.
hmm
I love that. So then
hmm
somebody's not adding supercalifragilisticexpialidocious as one of the
Yeah.
names and completely ruining your design.
Okay. Oh, I will make it 6 and okay, we're good. If you want to mark it as required, just click here, show customization data on cart checkout. Click okay. So now I just need to duplicate that 3 times and I will have another layer
That
here.
was so simple. You just click duplicate and it just immediately did that. And then you can go
Yes.
in to each one and change it
And
to name 2, name
exactly,
3. Wow.
exactly. Lily, I just need to change the name. And remember to change the option title here to name 2 and placeholder name Lily. And then
It's
do the
so
same
easy.
for the third one, like Sarah and name 3. Sarah. Okay, we're good with the name. Here we have the heart. I will use another tool for this icon. Okay, we use multiple tools to design. So, okay, so normally I will use flaticon.com here, guys. They have multiple icons there. So I will search for heart and then I'll choose like this heart right there. You need to log in. I recommend you to log in this Flaticon account. You can, so if you log in, you will have the power to edit the color of the icon. So I will just edit.
Interesting. Otherwise, you can just use, there are multiple programs where you can get icons from for free that you are more than welcome to use for sure.
Mhm. Yep.
You can even
So
make an icon on Canva very easily
yeah, I use Canva too.
all the time.
Mhm.
Canva, Figment, Figma, I'm just like all of it. I love it.
Just go back and forth with two design tools. Okay, so we edit it with the white color, and then you choose to download that PNG and this option or this just for preference, free download, and then you can have it to your device. Heart here. Okay, I have it, and then I go back to Teeinblue image, upload that heart right here.
This is so
Okay.
cool. I'm
Mm-hmm.
amazed at the speed as well. I'm absolutely amazed at the speed.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for that. Okay, I have it here. Just resize it a little bit. Okay, like this. I think I'll need to resize the text too. I will group those texts. Just hold the shift key, guys, and then you can group them. Hit the command and G keys to group them into group like this. Just so simple. Then move it a little bit.
And that changes all the you can wow. I can't even form sentences. I'm like so excited. You can do what? Like,
It's
oh
like
my
magic.
god.
Okay. And then duplicate the second heart right there, here. And then we have the design. Okay, so we done with the text, the mom, and now we move to the message. We can add another text for the message, or Teeinblue also offers like paragraph option, so you can choose
Mm.
between these two. So the paragraph option actually allow you to like have multiple line in one option. If this text option is like single line.
Got it. Okay, okay. But you could do 2 text lines and then like single text
Yes,
lines and move them if you wanted to. But if you wanted to have
exactly.
multiples, like what you would see on a message card, for example, could use the paragraph, and then that way you'd be able to add all of that. So
Exactly.
cool.
Okay, I will move it a little bit bigger. Maybe like this. And then change the color also to white. Okay, we're done with no, not done yet. I want them to personalize this message.
Yes.
Enable personalization. I'll leave it like message. We love you. Okay, so now about the picture. Okay, so you can see a little bit like a watercolor splash in the back of the photo. I will like you can search for water color splash like this, and you can download here on Google, or in my case I download it from Canva, because like Canva
Yeah.
have a lot of resources for like designing. So okay, I have that prepared here. Let me check. Watercolor splash here. Upload it, and
Yeah,
I will also.
Canva is so
Mhm.
great, and being able to actually change those colors too, like if you have a brand aesthetic, a design color scheme that you stick with, it's a great way to be able to stick with those colors for sure.
Yep.
And
Yep.
the fact that you guys have a color picker too with actual hex codes, you can stick with your brand coloring too throughout all of
Yeah,
this.
the file is quite big, so just wait for a few minutes for our system to load. Like just click reload it. Okay, so for the image, I will upload the image also, family, because like I want the customer to remove the background of the picture. So I will prepare a removed background picture here and open it.
Which is
Okay, upload.
actually also really easy to do in Canva. They have background remover.
Yeah, exactly. Okay,
So
so
easy.
okay, wait for the family a little bit. Just import the watercolor. Here, we have it here. Move it a little bit down below, and then we select the family.
When they show up, whenever the family shows up.
Yep. Here.
There we go. Honestly, it takes
Here it
no
is.
time. This is great.
Yeah. Because the size is a little bit big, so our system need time. Okay, move it a little bit right there. So
Yeah.
I want the customer to upload their own photo and remove the background. I will edit the customization here. Click edit and remember to choose this option, upload photo, option title, upload your photo like this. And upload editor, I will choose photo cropper. Photo cropper is like allow your customer to crop your photo like this
Cool.
and show customer on live preview definitely. And you can also set a minimum size for your customer to upload your photo.
That's good so that they are constantly uploading high quality because
Yes,
that's something
exactly.
too is when somebody uploads poor quality and then the product that they get isn't what they saw in their head. It's like, well, your image wasn't very good. So this is really helpful to be able to set that limit for your store and be like, hey, yes, upload your photo, but make it a good one.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so now we're in the image effects here. You can click add new to choose the remove background here. Um,
Oh, cool. Wait, can you pull up those other ones?
here, okay. We have face cutout, cartoon, black and white. Cartoon here, we have a lot of filters here.
Whoa.
Okay, let me just pause right here for the remove background features. If you are on our premium plan and above, you will have no, you will have the chance to use remove background for free.
Got it.
So from premium plan and above, right? Okay, and you will
Otherwise,
need
they just are uploading like their basic photo, which is
yeah,
still
yeah.
pretty.
Mm-hmm. I will show you how to like connect the third party because like the image effects here we mostly use third party apps. For remove background we are currently working with Cutout Pro, remove dot bg, removal dot ai, those three parties.
Nice.
Mm-hmm. Okay, store settings, right? Or extra services here. You go to
Oh, cool.
extra
Okay.
services. This is where you choose the service for like the image effects here. You choose Teeinblue and removal.ai here,
Love it.
premium and above. Yeah.
Easy. And you have
And
so
the
many
Cutout
different
Pro.
options here.
The Cutout
Cool.
Pro here. You
Okay.
paste your key here, and then you can use like cartoonize or cutout face cutout effects from Cutout Pro.
Nice. Nice. All
Okay,
right.
we also have like discounts from them, so just easily to get started. Okay, go back. I'll choose remove background again. Okay, we're good. Okay, as require. Here you can see. Now I want the message. I want the customer to change between font family for this message. So I'll go back and edit that.
Giving them the option to change their own fonts
Yes.
to something that they
Mhm.
prefer.
Yes,
Also
exactly.
very cool.
You can also allow them to change the text color here if you want. Here is the color picker.
That's one of those things that I'm, like, almost hesitant just because 'cause I'm so design protective that I'm one of those people who's like, "But if you choose a brown, it's not gonna work."
Mhm. Yeah.
But yeah,
Okay,
that's so
so
cool.
allow customers to change font. For this feature, you need to make sure that the default font that you use is a custom font here. Okay,
Cool.
so now I will like teach you, instruct you how to prepare for this custom font family selection. You will need to upload custom font in Teeinblue first. Let's go back and you go to asset page and you go upload fonts here. This is where you upload your fonts and just click
That's so
upload
easy.
it. TTF fonts, we're good. Just
Awesome.
upload it there. Yeah.
Awesome. So,
And in
okay, so when you have your whole product set up, like where you are, where do we go next?
Okay, so like in order to have different like font family like this, we need to create font category here. Just click
Mm.
new category like maybe mom acrylic and create. I would love to use thumbnail images. It will look like this.
Ah, okay. So that's the
Mhm.
thumbnail images. That's smart.
Yes.
I like that. Good for visual learners.
Yes, exactly. Now just click and choose your favorite font. Go hand, select,
Can tell this is your favorite.
and the thumbnail image will be created automatically for you like this.
That's
And
awesome.
yeah, you can choose other fonts right here. You upload it here and you just select it. Okay. So
Awesome.
that is the process. And now I will go back to the artwork.
Okay.
Okay, for the label, change font family, and I will select the font category that I've just created.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, for this, I will choose like, I'd love to choose my, let me see,
Here we go.
this, here we go.
Nice.
And now we're almost done for this. You can see in my demo product here, we have two names option also. So how you can do that? Easily just duplicate this template and yeah, another template here.
It just
I just
opens a tab with a new
yeah.
with the same design for you to duplicate.
Mhm.
Cool.
I just need to edit the name. I just need to like hide it like this and copy another heart here and move it here just a little bit.
This is very neat.
hmm Move it a little bit. Uh, and I'll adjust it. Wait a minute.
How'd we do? There we go. More
Insert.
balanced.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is definitely like, I mean, just being able to do this and the fact that you can just duplicate it right there, it creates a tab. You're able to actually add like multiple names. You could even do
Mhm.
one name if you wanted to.
Yes, exactly.
That is
Okay,
awesome.
so this is the templates here. You need to like edit the template's name. This is name 2. And this is here is where you edit the template name if you're missing it. Name 1. Okay. And I want to display it differently,
Mhm.
like this inline button, like this. So I'll change it here. The setting icon, just the small
Template
one.
settings.
Yeah.
Okay.
And radio button.
Oh,
And
easy.
yes, and I will change like how I would display this is number of names and done. That's it.
I love it. Can you add as many names as you want?
Yes,
Perfect.
no limit on the number of templates here. You can add it, but remember the like the more templates, the more layers you have on your artwork, it will take longer for our app to save your file. So you have to be really careful about that. Okay,
Good,
so
fair.
you can also reorder the layer here.
Oh, if you wanted to change it around, that would actually be really good for some testing stuff. That's cool.
Yes, I will
Okay.
Move the upload photo here. Mm.
Nice. Nice.
Mhm. Okay, now just
Okay. This is
remove.
so cool. I'm like, I love that we're able to see the actual preview of what it's going to look like, and the fact that you just built it here for us
Mhm.
is awesome.
Here on the second template, I just leave it name 2 and name 3. It is not reasonable, so I will edit that. Name 1. Yep. Name 1, delete.
Easy.
Name 2. Always recheck your artwork before saving or launching the campaign. So now we just click save and we're done for the most like time consuming part. It is design artwork. So we're done for that. So we have
That's basically all on Teeinblue, with the exception of like some free icons, some free water splashes, like free stock photos, free fonts from Google. Like,
yeah,
amazing. Okay. No,
everything's
so
free.
then what do they do?
Okay, so we've going through the product base, the design, and now it is time to combine those two together to create a personalized campaign. You will go to campaigns, and for this workflow that you connect API, you'll need to go to by product base. It means that you import product from here. So click new campaign, just personalize mom, probably save, and then you will choose the product base that you've added earlier here.
Perfect.
And then you can select the artwork that you have just designed,
Right from there.
like this. So I prefer the 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 mockup to be like this, so I will remove the other one. It is like it makes the customer look easily to your artwork.
If it's brighter and you have some
Yep.
colors, yeah, for sure. Nice.
Okay. Let me check for the mockup. It looks a little bit higher than normal, so it shows something here. Just remove it, and add the print area again, and then we're good. Just move it to the middle and click on that print area again and adjust it.
Oh, and you can just adjust that.
Yes,
Okay.
as I said, you can add image layer here, or you can enable perspective here, like make it a little bit.
Oh, wow, you can change even like perspective if it's being seen from the side.
Yes, exactly.
That is very cool if you were doing
Mhm.
UGC. That's
Yes,
like
yes.
super helpful for being able to set up your designs. That is
Hmm.
cool.
Very easy, guys. Okay, so click done. Okay, and then save. And you would do the same for other mockups right here. Just remove this.
Cool. So
Okay, and now
then
we. Mhm.
if you wanted to change the price, is that something you'd be doing on
Yes.
Shopify, or can you do that through Teeinblue?
You can easily do that here on Teeinblue. We can do that here. Click back to the product base that where you import the product. You can set up the price here. Maybe
Cool.
what is like the normal price for acrylic product, Tammy?
I mean, honestly, we have people who are selling it for 60 a pop.
Mm-hmm.
Um, we could
Great.
say, yeah, let's do 59.95 or whatever.
Like this,
Great.
and update campaign. Just go back and then here you can see the price change.
Amazing. It just changed right away. And I love
Yes.
too that the mock-ups are just changing so that you're able to get
Mhm.
all of those.
Yeah.
Cool.
Actually, you can let me import the another product just without the let, and you can assign each markup to each size like
Oh, that's
this.
cool too. Okay, so I can say these mock-ups are with the light up acrylic base.
Yes,
So
yes, yes.
those will go with this, but this one is just the wooden base. Okay, cool.
Mhm.
And you assign that variant. Neat.
Yes, assign variants
This
and
level
wooden
of
base.
personalization is so, so great.
Yeah,
And honestly,
assign
really
variant.
easy to use. Like this already is like my brain. I'm sure everybody who's is like their brains are just going right now thinking of the possibilities.
Yeah, just now just click launch and your product would look like this, and you can start selling and promoting your campaign. And once you have orders, it will flow here in our app. You can see the order, or you can go to bulk fulfill. It is, if in case you have multiple orders, you can go here to better like manage your orders and keep track of your order process here in bulk fulfill. Or you can go just like the simple interface with the order page. You can
Cool.
view the order, just an example here like this. And you can also download your design here, or you regenerate design, or you can upload your custom design if your like customer need to change anything from your from this product.
Like
Or
if they accidentally like put in an order and they might have like put in the wrong name or like misspelled it, that you're able to actually go in and fix that for them per order.
yes, yes, if
So,
you they type the wrong name, you just need to edit customization and retype the name, the correct
oh,
name here, and
easy.
maybe chat, yeah, and save, and then it will update the order design here.
Easy. Okay, so when you hit launch campaign, does that mean that the product publishes to your Shopify store?
Yes, exactly. It will publish directly to your Shopify store as a Shopify product, just like this.
Nice. Nice. So then the next question is, if you're in ShineOn, will you be able to see this product?
For this type of setup, you cannot see that product on ShineOn product, but you can able to see the order from this product.
Yes. So you'll
Yeah.
see your orders, but you won't be able to edit your products directly on ShineOn. You'd have to edit them on Teeinblue.
Yes, on Teeinblue, exactly. Okay, so that is for the first workflow. Now, the second workflow, um, it is very easy and it is suitable for those that are selling like simple designs, simple markups, and okay. So the second steps is like Tammy has just like mentioned, you can just use ShineOn app and upload product right from ShineOn, and you just add the design, the personalized design in Teeinblue. Okay, so the first step for this second workflow is go to your ShineOn app here and choose your store. I choose this, and you just like upload your product normally like you have been doing with ShineOn. And I will click here acrylic, print it acrylic here, and now click square plaque. Okay, for this image here, just upload a random file here, but remember to have this exact dimension of your design. Uh, when I say random, it is because when you use Teeinblue will replace this design file here that you've just uploaded on ShineOn. So you will not use this design that you upload here, but you will use the Teeinblue design.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just upload like this. I prepared it. Okay, for the product title, mom. No, no, no. Then we publish it. Okay, it is now on your on Shopify store, and then we go back to Teeinblue, and here in the campaigns page, we will choose the buy Shopify products. It means that we allow you to add products that are published on your Shopify store and just simply add the personalization of Teeinblue. No need for product base, no need for API connection, just connect the product on Shopify and the design in Teeinblue.
See,
Okay,
that's the
so
easy stuff. That is
yeah.
amazing. That direct
Mhm.
integration, being able
Yep.
to, so you go onto ShineOn, you publish a product on ShineOn, and then you can actually see it in
Mm-hmm.
Teeinblue and add the personalization options through Teeinblue, and
Yes.
Teeinblue will override that design with your Teeinblue design. Like, it
Yes,
could not be
exactly.
easier. What Elle was
Hmm.
just showing us was the
Okay.
API, like the far more like in-depth stuff that you can do on that side. But the
Hmm.
easy, fast track you want to just get from A to B, publish a product on ShineOn, then you just check it out in Teeinblue and
Teeinblue.
add your
Yeah.
personalization there.
Yeah.
Like, I love
So, so the steps are more straightforward. It is you will need two steps to launch your personalized campaign for this workflow. So much easier for you to get started.
amazing.
Okay, so just choose a product. Just choose the product that you've just uploaded. Let me check. Maybe.
It might just need to be, I'd click publish again maybe,
Uh-huh.
and then check in your products. It should
Yep.
switch and say like
Yep.
successfully published.
Maybe
Cool.
I've switched to another tab while publishing, so that's it hasn't published successfully.
Yeah, it took a minute. It was like,
Mhm.
I need a second. You're moving so fast, but that's the nice part about doing this all live is you're actually able to see some of the stuff.
Yep. Just
So,
wait.
okay, I love that.
Seems like it is done. Okay,
Perfect.
it is published. I should see it now. Here,
Yeah, there
acrylic,
we go.
and
I
you
like
can
that you
choose it.
tag the other ones as used as well so that you don't
Mhm.
end up duplicating the other
Exactly.
stuff. I like that.
Mhm. Create, and here you just need to add your artwork because we have created earlier, so I will not like replicate that step anymore.
Yeah,
So just click on artwork, and then here you see no mockup, right? Because you will need to upload the mockup itself.
right.
So you can go to ShineOn again to get the mockup. Let me see. Add images. No. Explore more images.
Oh, yeah,
Um,
it's just it's rendering. It's
uh,
taking a minute.
yeah, I understand it. Choose the lead base, and I will
Here.
just, you will need to right click and open image in new tab like this, and then just right click again and save images at like
Easy.
yeah,
Very easy.
oh, uh, there you go, and then you go back to Teeinblue and upload it.
And that's it.
Yeah, I
And that's
already uploaded
it.
that.
You already have a couple of them uploaded, so that's great.
Mhm. Okay, here it is. Yeah, and then I add the artwork, mom acrylic here. Okay, just recite it. And for it
Nice.
to, yeah, for it to look more realistic, I will need to add an images like this background. It shows the material of the like the acrylic. And I will move it down here.
Oh, okay, so that's actually your layers are set with
Yes.
your top and bottom layers. Okay,
Yes.
cool.
Exactly. So here, let
Nice.
me mock up, and
This
we're
is
good
great.
with that. And just launch.
Done.
And
And
it
it's
is,
right in your Shopify store. How
yes.
great is that? All right.
Wait.
Linda is asking, what about other products that would be personalized, such as wall art and blankets? Yes, Linda, those are also included in this. In fact, we just looked at pillows. So you are in
Yeah.
the right space, Linda. I'm telling you. Telling
Yeah. Yeah.
you. All right. This is
So,
great.
moreover, for this kind of setup, you will see the order on ShineOn app with the ready to print file. I have a test order here for you to
Perfect.
see, like this here.
And this
You
was
can
an
see.
order that you put in through
Yeah.
Teeinblue. Has a
Yeah.
little artwork on hold just because we did put it on hold so that it didn't go into production for this one. But you can see that it just went directly, and that any orders that come
Mhm.
through, you're going to see them in the orders tab on
Yep.
ShineOn and on Teeinblue,
Yes.
which is
Okay.
awesome.
That is very easy. You can see that the second step takes less time than the very first flow, right?
Yeah, for sure, and especially once you're done actually designing, your piece and, like, when you actually have that design too, you could use that for other products as well because you have the
Yes.
base design. So you
Yes,
can
yes,
add that
exactly.
to your blankets, to your pillows, to your
Mhm.
jeans jackets, to your tote bags. Like, you have so many options here. Once you're done creating that artwork, being able to add this level of personalization can be such a game changer.
Yeah.
Especially, like, I know my mom is picky, and, like, she is one of
Mhm.
those people too where she's like, if you're just gonna give me, crap, I'm not interested, save your money kind of thing. So being able to offer something personalized for her, this
Mhm.
this is it. She loves this stuff. So way better, not just anything. And I think your clients, like your buyers, will definitely appreciate this level of creativity and personalization. And obviously, this example is just one example of one of the top selling designs from
Yes,
last year. What you
exactly.
come up with in your own designs are going to be killer, absolutely killer. I'm saying.